Hey guys, we are here in Costa Mesa and we're going to be showing you OSHA ladder handling techniques. Want you guys to understand how to properly put up a ladder. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we are going to set this ladder in the correct position. So all we're going to do is lean this up against the frame of the house, and in order to correctly figure out if your ladder is the right pitch is to come and put your feet right here to the side and your hands out like this. Now if your elbows are bent, then you're not correct. They should be straight out just like this. And this is how you know you have the right angle. So we're going to bring this out just a little bit more. Come to the side. Put your hands out straight. Now you see my hands are in the lock position in here. So now what the second thing we're going to do is we're going to secure the ladder. So we're going to use something like this. It's the ladder safety strap. I suggest you guys pick one of these up. They're about $100, but well worth it. And so we're going to secure this at the same time. In order to get up to the ladder, you need to have a 3-point contact at all times. 3-point contact. So either 2 hands on the ladder at the same time and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand on the ladder at all times when you are climbing the ladder. Your body should be right in the middle of the ladder, so when you do go up, you have 3 points contact at all times. Okay, always have your hands right here to the side. Walk it up nice and easy. Now we're going to go ahead and secure the ladder and get that taken care of. So let's do this real quick. Now, in order to secure the ladder, what we want to do is we want to tie this onto the ladder itself. So what I do is I will put this ladder up right here. This strap will go right in the middle of the ladder itself. So right here in the middle of the rung, these are rungs right here. These are considered rungs. So I'm going to just secure it just like this. Have the other one, pull it nice and tight. Have it tight, and you can literally move this side by side. It's not going anywhere. Now, the correct way to position a ladder. Some people are saying 3 feet above the roof line. Incorrect. Should not be doing that. I'll tell you the reason why. This part right here, if you put your weight up on top of the ladder and you're 3 feet and you go too high, what's going to happen is the bottom feet right here will kick out from underneath you, and you have a chance for the ladder to fall on you. This is the correct way to climb a ladder. So what I'm going to do is show you. You go up and over the ladder. That's how you should be doing it. Now, only have 1 rung right here or a foot up above the roof line. That's all you should have, is about 1 foot. You'll never topple this ladder. The weight of you, especially if it's a bigger guy, is not going to have that opportunity to have your ladder kick out from underneath you. So in order to do this and do this correctly, all you're going to do is come up, walk up just like this, grab this one here, this one right here, walk up, and over. Nice and easy, okay? No need to go to the side, no need to do any of that. When you're ready to come back down, all you're going to do is come back here, 3-point contact at all times, and walk down the ladder. Nice and easy. just like that. That's all you need to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have Susan demonstrate this for you, and all she's going to do is walk up the ladder and get that done. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, we have Susan here, and she's going to be climbing up the ladder and showing you guys. Susan, hold on, hang tight. Susan, are you comfortable with this?
Yes.
All right. Woman of very few words, climbing up the ladder. She's going to go up and over, 3-point contact at all times. You see her feet right in the middle. She walks up. There you go. Ta-da! That's simple. Now we're going to come back down, and in order for her to pass this test, if she falls, she fails. So there you go, right in the middle. See where her feet are positioned? They're actually positioned right in the middle, and she's not having her feet in an angle. They're perfectly straight, right in the middle. There you go. And that's the way you do that. 3-point contact at all times, hands on the side. There you go. Easy peasy. Now, you just got certified by Henry from SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning on ladder handling. This is the way that you have to climb a ladder. This is the correct way to climb the ladder and get that taken care of. How do you feel, by the way?
Hot.
Hot. It is hot out here today.
It's hot in Costa Mesa.
In Costa Mesa. It's over 90 degrees.
Hot already.
So that's it, guys. That's how you climb a ladder. You secure it nice up on top. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get up there and start working. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. See you guys. Peace.